Well, there wasn't a whole lot to choose from at the place. These ones are good. These are quality looking. I didn't look at them super close. Usually they say like Japan or something on them. You can tell how old they are. I don't see any writing on them. I think they're a little newer. You know, all the modern ones are usually a single split on the ring instead of a 4-prong like these, or 4. Yeah, these are good ones too, but these are coaxial ones, and these are also coaxial probably. And these technically are mini coaxial, but for the most part, this is all you really need. I just bought these because like this was like, there were a couple more like these, but they're all $1.49. They're always $1.49, and I don't know what the price is when they're 50% off. They're like 70 something cents. So anyway, these, they're different color tags. But the way they do it is a certain tag goes for 5 weeks. It goes like $2 or something. But if it's under $2, it'll only be 50% off. First, after like I think 4 weeks, they go at 4 weeks, almost 5 weeks. That color tag like becomes 50% off for that week, and then like, what is it, on Thursdays, whatever's left that doesn't sell becomes $2, which used to be $1. And anyway, they're $2. They actually used to be $1.99, and they like decided that they were going to make a penny on them. So when these are $2, regardless of 50% or $2, they're still only 50% because they're under $2. So you get it for like 75 cents. But I'll peel off the yellow ones, and we'll just leave it on there. That's enough for me to run whatever I need to run. This one's long enough to where I probably could substitute this one for that one over there because that one's too short. So, a couple cords, more cheap shit.